Here's a street ride to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. All steel 1940 Ford two-door sedan. PPG yellow is the color of this car, gray interior cloth. We'll get around to that here in a bit, start it up, let's hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. First of all, crate 350 underneath the hood, approximately 20,000 miles on it. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 automatic to be exact. Take a look at the chrome bumper, headlight surrounds, that iconic 1940 front end. As you can see, paint shows well. There may be a spot or two I noticed, little small touch-up spot right there. If that shows up in the video, kind of tough to get it to see. Front end in nice shape due to the fact there are the front end covers and the actual bug screen for the front grille, so that will be included in it. If you're doing any traveling with this car, going to any shows nationally, you'll be able to put that in, protect the front end. Also, power steering and AC for when you're driving this car down the highway or interstate. It's also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, that may be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726, riding on weld-polished wheels. Check out all the still pictures, take a good look at the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. As you can see, glass is tinted. Want to make sure you're aware of that so you know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of the tint. This one doesn't appear to be real dark. All right, taking a look down the rest of the passenger side here, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Power antenna in the rear. I'm going to show you some things on the interior as far as radio and AC controls and all of that here in just a bit. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. As you can see, dual exhaust in the rear, also rear chrome bumper intact. Now, some of the details in this car, as far as the rear end, since we're back here, let's talk about that a little bit. 8-inch Ford rear end. We talked about the exhaust a little bit. It does have headers and Flowmaster mufflers. Be able to see that from the underside pics. Some chassis things about this one. Heights, front cross member, has a chassis engineering leaf spring kit, front sway bar and new shocks. Oh, something else if you noticed while we're back here, the hot rodders and old school car guys, since I'm kind of showing you that shot right there, you probably know what it is. Those taillights look a little different than a 1940. It'll be 39 taillights, I believe. Check out all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing to remember, third-party inspectors, we have an open door policy. For those guys, if they want to come check it out, maybe you can't make it due to distance or time, not a problem. As we look down the driver's side here, again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, you might have a little small touch-up spot on the front here or there. Also has new brakes, front disc. Let's take a look at this interior. So cloth door panels matching the seating surface in light gray. And you can see seat belts intact up front here. It's nice having the two-door sedan. You have kids, grandkids, family members, friends you want to go on a cruise with you, maybe to a show, make a weekend out of it. There's room. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Video gauges. And I want to let you know that antenna in the back that I had pointing up so I wouldn't forget it a little bit there. It just popped up a little. This is the power antenna switch, and we're going to check that out back there after we start this up. So video gauges, stereo works. You can also see gauges. Oil pressure, amp meter. It was a cold start, so I don't expect that to be up much. And fuel gauge. Again, about 20,000 roughly on engine. Was a crate, 350, and we're going to look at that engine bay in just a bit. So look at the dash, and then of course the under dash AC unit. See if the vent's still functioning. Absolutely. Door closes nicely. There's that antenna, so the power antenna is working. Nice sounding car. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Might be able to get this one one-handed here. Plus I want to show you how to open this. Here's your hood release right here. Don't lift up on that. Lift on the bottom of the hood. And then when you close it, keep this up. Don't slam it. Lower it down nicely. And then slowly engage that latch back to lock. Alright, here it is. So Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 600 carb. Some chrome dressed up top. We have an overflow tank. Right here. A lot of polished aluminum. See the newer headers on there also. Some dress up with the chrome air cleaner cover and valve covers. Nice setup under there. Nice running engine too. Wow, it's smooth. Previous owners of this said not a problem. Reliable going down the highway. Good running car. And it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. 1940 Ford 2-door sedan street rod. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1940 Ford 2-door sedan. Very bright, good-looking car in yellow. Inside we've got a gray cloth, very comfortable. Bench seat. This is an automatic on the floor. There is an air conditioning box under the dash. It seems to be blowing the temperature of outside air. Good acceleration in this car. Our gauges are working. Oil pressure reading about 50 psi. Amps are on the positive side of the gauge. Temperature reading about 150 on the engine. And the fuel tank showing just about half. We're doing 55 miles an hour. Little Jensen radio in the dash. Is working. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Very responsive steering in this car. Our brakes are working well. This car started up and idled smoothly right away.